Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your friend Arman. So today in this video I am going to share with you some articles as well as the schedules of the Constitution of India, which are really important for the exam point of view. Okay, so since the constitutional law is the supreme law of the land, so we have to be very careful while studying it, and once we see it, we'll see everything is important. We feel like that, but however it is not possible for us to remember each and everything about the constitution. So that's why I have analyzed the previous year question paper as well as prelims as well and the mains. So whatever my analysis is concerned, so I'm going to share with you out of my analysis, okay, which portions are important. Okay, I mean, I'm not saying that like the portions which I'm going to tell you, that is those are only important and rest of the things are not important, but the portions I'm going to tell you, you have to put little bit more effort in it and prepare these articles very nicely, so that like most of the questions come from the articles that I'm going to tell you. Okay, so but before I begin, please subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and do not forget to hit the like button if you find this video helpful. Okay, so guys, so first of all, Article 1 is very important. Okay, so which talks about the name and the territory of the Union of India. Okay, then comes the Article 2, the new state, how the new state being formed, and like there are three steps, so 3 steps for the creation of the new state and everything. So do watch that. And and Article 5, which talks about the citizenship. So Article 5 is also very important, since we have seen like Citizenship Amendment Act. So there are a lot of chaos in our state, so regarding that, so I think Article 5 is really important this year, so we have to be very careful, and we should prepare a note on this topic. Okay, then another important section, article is Article 14. So Article 12 is also important. I didn't mention here, but Article 12 is also equally important. Okay, so when we talk about the violation of any kind of fundamental right, so that is not the violation by the any private individual, it is always by the, it should be always by the state, right? So who are states? So it is very important for us to know that who are states, who comes under the definition of state. So that's what. All right, so Article 12 is also important, and Article 14, as you know, right to equality, and Article 15, prohibition of discrimination, and Article 17, abolishment of untouchability. Okay, and Article 19, and Article 19 here, Article 19 is also very most important. Okay, so Article 19 is important, and Article 21, right to life and personal liberty, right? Then comes the Article 21A, okay, right to education. Okay, Article 21A. Then comes the Article 32, right to constitutional remedy. Okay, then comes Article 39, so that is DPSP, Directive Principle of State Policy. All right, then comes Article 39A, equal justice and free legal aid. Okay, then comes the Article 41, right to work. Okay, then Article 44, Uniform Civil Code. So this is also important. Try to make a note on this, because since recently the legislature has passed the bill regarding triple talaq, right? So that is why the UCC is very important, so try to make a note on it. Okay, then comes Article 45, provision for free and compulsory education. Okay, and then comes Article 48A, protection of environment. So this is also very important, right? And Article 51, fundamental duties, Article 51A, fundamental duties, and Article 75 1A, number of ministers of union. Okay, then comes Article 123, ordinance by president. Okay, so this is also important, that we should know that what is ordinance, what is bill, what is act, right? So if you want to know that, if you want me to make videos on this, then comment down below. Okay, so Article 123, that is the ordinance by the president, and Article 124, that is Supreme Court, and Article 141, a law declared by the Supreme Court to be binding by all courts. Okay, then comes the Article 164 1A, a number of ministers in a state, and Article 215, High Court is the court of record. Okay, And Article 300A, right to property. So right to property is also important. There are many questions I have seen from the right to property section. Okay, so and comes Article 341 and 342, scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. Okay, then comes Article 352, emergency provisions, and Article 370 is special provision for state of Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, then comes and yeah, Article 370 is very important, so try to make a note on it. Okay, because recently we have seen what has happened in Jammu and Kashmir, so like it might be like it's a probable question, this might come in exam also, so try to make a proper note on 370. Okay, then comes schedules. Okay, so schedule 1, which talks about name of the state and union territories, and schedule 7, union list, state list and concurrent list, and schedule 8, language, and schedule 10, disqualification on the ground of defection. So these are the articles and schedules which I find it really important, so try to go through it. Okay, and so try to make note of all these important articles and schedules, so that it will be easy for you for your exam. So yeah, so apart from that, so I'm going to leave one question to you, that whether the right to die is not the violative, whether the capital punishment, the death punishment is not violative of Article 21. So this is the question I am putting to you. So comment down below and tell me whether it is violative of Article 21 or not. Okay, let me explain you one, like when the court pronounces the capital punishment to a particular criminal, so don't you think it is the violative of Article 21, which talks about the right to life, protection to right to life and personal liberty? Okay, so comment down below your answer. Okay, and if you want me to make a video on that, also try to make a write down. Okay, so yeah, that's it for today. I hope you find this video helpful, you like this video. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you want me to make a such kind of video more, then comment down. I will make the video like this of other papers also. So thank you so much for watching this video once again, and have a great day guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.